How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your PS5 green screen. So the first thing that I suggest is to power cycle your console. Now, with dealing with any issues with your electronics, basically the first step will always be to turn your device off and back on. You can also unplug the power cord from the console for 60 seconds and reconnect the cable. Now, you also want to make sure that your display output is correct. Make sure that your TV or monitor settings to ensure that they are perfectly configured for the PS5. Make sure that the input source is set to the correct HDMI port right here on your television. Now, you also want to check for the physical HDMI connection. Ensure that the HDMI cable connecting to PS5 to the display is securely plugged in, because if not, it can cause issues, and one of those is going to be green screen. You can also try using a different HDMI cable or port to rule out cable or port issues. Now, it can also relate with minor software issues, so when this happens, you also want to try updating your console with the latest firmware. And so that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.